So one of the three agencies investigating Sushant Singh Rajput death case, the Narcotics Bureau, is intensifying the probe in the drug link. According to the Narcotics Bureau, RIA has already taken names of Sara Ali Khan, designer Simone Khambata and one actor Karakul Preet Singh as well in that statement. The investigation is currently underway, however, and the narcotics team may soon summon some of these new names in the case. Top Narcotics Bureau officials have told India Today that beyond instances of marijuana procurement, transport and usage, the investigators are finding that drugs like cocaine and MDMA, these are hard drugs that were used also by individuals, and they will be also examined, as well as the names that have surfaced. So far, 18 people have been questioned by the NCP in the RIA drug link case. Apart from RIA and Shovik, who are already under arrest, 15 people, including suspected peddlers, have also been taken into arrest. Divyesh Singh is in Mumbai. He's been tracking the Narcotics Bureau angle from day one. He's in fact also at the ED office today. So while the Enforcement Directorate on one hand, Divyesh, tracks the money laundering case, we have the Narcotics Bureau that perhaps has maximum evidence. Wouldn't it be correct to say, I see the Narcotics Bureau fishing out more details, names that are coming, but with new names coming, could they be summoned? Could this become murkier? Shouldn't we instead focus just on the death case of the late actor? These are some of the questions coming up, Divyesh.
Pooja, remember, this is a completely different case. This is a completely different investigation. Though
yes,
it has come out, it has been started while the case of Sushant Singh Rajput's death was being investigated by multiple agencies. The financial angle was being investigated by the Enforcement Directorate. And that is when WhatsApp messages of Riya Chakrabarti discussing about banned narcotic substances, procurement, consumption of banned narcotic substances was being discussed. That the disclosure was made by ED to NCB, and NCB started an independent probe on the alleged drug angle. And that is when they started interrogating each and every person involved, each and every person who had at some point of time communicated regarding drugs with Riya Chakrabarti, were working for Sushant Singh Rajput, and then their angle, their role was investigated, and after that NCB placed them under arrest. Riya being the last person who was placed under arrest, who was in touch with Sushant Singh Rajput directly. Meanwhile, there are other drug peddlers who are part of this network.
Yes.
Remember, Anuj Keshwani was arrested, after which Chris Costa, who's a resident of Goa, he has been arrested. Suryadeep Mehrotra, another friend of Shovik Chakrabarti, who's said to be also friends of Sushant Singh Rajput and Riya Chakrabarti, he has been arrested. And now another 74-year-old senior citizen who allegedly supplied LSD sourced from Europe to Chris Costa is under probe by
you're
Narcotics
telling us
Control
a lot
Bureau,
of names are coming up by the Narcotics Bureau. Divyesh, I request you to please stay on.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.